total sales quantity. I want to add this title, total sales quantity. Now this title is appearing, total sales quantity. But this title is very small and this number is very big. So what we'll do is, we'll go to the right hand side and you will see a format section over here. Now what are these icons over here? First icon is the data. First icon is the data. So this drum, when you click on this icon, you will see all the data fields. Second item is the build a visual. So whenever you click on any this thing, whatever visuals you want to create, it will give you visuals. Third one is format. Now whatever we want to do formatting, we will do from here. Now everyone pay attention. What we want to do is, we want to format this visual. So we'll go to title first. In the title, total sales quantity is written. What I want to do is, I want to increase the font size. So first I am increasing the font size. Secondly, I want to apply some background color. So I am applying a background color, and I want to change the foreground color also. So I have created this kind of visual where my total sales quantity is now appearing like this. Then if you want to increase the font more, you can increase the font more also. Then you can align it towards the center. If you want to have a divider, you can put a divider. And then category label off. So this category label on off is doing this. So sum of quantity you are seeing, when you put it off, you will not see the sum of quantity. What is call out value? Call out value is the number that you see here. 71 million जो दिख रहा है, वो call out value है. So when I select call out value, then you can change the font and color of this also. Okay. So now we are changing the font for this. If you want to reduce the size, you can reduce the size. If you want to put some different color, you can change the different color. If you want to change the unit, you don't want to show in million but in thousands, so you can put thousands also. So 71,494,000. If you want to put actual number, you can put actual number also. So it is 71,49,000 or 7 crore 14 lakh 94,090. This is the actual quantity. But we will keep it as million to 71 million. Or if you want to do in thousands, you can do in thousands also. Okay. Now decimal places we don't want, so it is 0 only, that is fine. Category label on off we don't want, so we have put it off. Now suppose I want to have a background color here. I want to have a background color behind this number. So how to apply a background color? So here there is option of background color. Okay. In the heading it is, but in the call out value, how to put background color? So in this size and position, you will have this background. Okay, visual border we will make it on, shadow also you make it on, and call out value. In the call out value, you will have this option of background. So you can select the background color from here. So we will put a background color. Transparency we can reduce to make it lighter shade. So this is how we have created our first visual. Total sales quantity. तो ये सब आपको सीखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. ये हो गया. अभी टोटल सेल्स क्वांटिटी आ गया. वी वांट द टोटल सेल्स इन अमाउंट. सो व्हाट विल डू इज कॉपी पेस्ट, कंट्रोल सी कंट्रोल वी, योर फेवरेट थिंग. कंट्रोल सी कंट्रोल वी किया है, कार्ड पे क्लिक करके कंट्रोल सी कंट्रोल वी डू, it will create multiple copies of the card. And once you do that, you will now change the title. So again go to this formatting tab, this one, go to title, and instead of total sales quantity you will say total sales amount, and you can put rupees also, whatever you want to put. Okay, and now this is showing the quantity. This is showing the quantity. We want to see the amount. So in the field, we will put a cross over here, add data, and you will select sales. So it is showing sales, but this is showing in thousands. We want in million. So what you will do is, again you have to go to formatting. In the formatting, you will go to call out value. In the call out value, you will go to million, and you will make it million. इसको भी million कर देते हैं. अभी देखो ये कैसे काम करते हैं. इस पे क्लिक करा, इधर गए और इधर लगा दो, तो ये भी million हो गया. So this is the total sales quantity. This is the total sales in amount. Can we create one more card? वो किसका बनाएंगे बताओ? टोटल सेल्स तो ये आ गया ना 219 मिलियन. टोटल क्वांटिटी भी आ गया. हाँ, can we put selling price? There is one more column of selling price, right? अगर सेलिंग प्राइस कर देंगे तो सेलिंग प्राइस को टोटल दिखाएगा. उसका क्या यूज है? उसका कोई यूज है क्या बताओ? But we can say average selling price. We can put average selling price, and here we can show the average of the value. Average, correct? तो सम की जगह क्या चाहिए? एवरेज. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है? सम. ना हाउ टू कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू एवरेज? आप लोग टैबलू में कैसे करते थे सम की जगह एवरेज? मेजर में जाके उसको सम की जगह एवरेज सिलेक्ट करते हैं. सिमिलरली हियर आल्सो, दिस इज दैट मेजर. यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दिस एंगल, this aggregation function, and instead of sum you can use average. So average is 3. Selling price of average product is 3 rupees. If you do count, it will show how many selling prices are there. So you can do count also. So this will show total number of units. Okay. And here you can do count distinct. So there are 15 selling prices. But we'll do average, so we'll keep it average only. So average selling price 3 rupees. So total sales quantity, total sales amount, total average sales. One more thing we can do, total number of orders. जितना डेटा है ना आपके पास, कितने ऑर्डर हुए हैं, तो कंट्रोल सी कंट्रोल वी, एंड नाउ वी विल से टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर्स. तो इसका हम कर देते हैं टोटल ऑर्डर्स. Total orders, and in the total orders what we will do is we will select quantity. We will select quantity. Instead of sum we will do count. So total number of order is 2,80,500. So this is the first set of visuals that we have created here. Correct? बहुत जल्दी उड़ा दिया.